Hey, people say that I'm a cat, but I just don't believe in that. Friends, they say, don't forget, all you are is another pet. I lay around on a three-piece suite. I hardly need to use my feet. My belly's packed, nice and tight. I sleep in a bed with a woman at night. I'm gonna be a Kathmandu, just like me and you. Wear a suit of navy blue. I'm gonna be a Catman too. I got myself a cunning plan to make myself into a man. I'm gonna eat myself so fat that I can't fit through my cat flap. Then I'll make my word. I'll be a Snapchat old black cat. I'm gonna be a real top hat. I live my life as an aristocrat. I'm gonna be a Kathmandu, just like me and just like you. I'm gonna wear a suit of blue. I'm gonna be a Catman too. I'll extricate my feline fate, leave behind my mark in me. My friends say I'm a real spoiled brat, that I forgot I'm just a cat. Since I moved into my flat, I totally believe I'm a real top cat. No more do I need to scrounge. I moved into a 5-star lounge. I'm gonna be a Kathmandu, just like you, just like you. Wear a suit and navy blue. I'm gonna be a Catman too.